Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most exciting devices to hit the tech world this year, the OnePlus Open. This is OnePlus's first foray into the foldable smartphone market. And let me tell you, it's a game changer. From its sleek design to its powerhouse performance, this device is packed with features that could redefine how we use smartphones. So grab a snack, sit back and let's get into it. Unboxing and first impressions. First things first, let's unbox this beauty. The packaging is classic OnePlus, minimalistic, premium and eco-friendly. Inside, you'll find the OnePlus Open itself, a 67AA fast charger, a USB-C cable and some documentation. No surprises here, but it's always nice to see a charger included in the box, right? Now, let's talk about the design. The OnePlus Open is stunning. It's slim, lightweight, and feels incredibly premium in hand. The hinge mechanism is smooth and sturdy. No wobble here. When folded, it's compact enough to fit in your pocket. And when unfolded, it transforms into a mini tablet. The matte finish on the back not only looks great, but also resists fingerprints, which is a huge plus. To display and foldable experience, let's talk about the star of the show, the display. The OnePlus Open features a 7.8-inch foldable AMOLED display with a 120 Hz refresh rate. The colors are vibrant, the contrast is excellent, and the brightness is more than enough for outdoor use. But what really stands out is the crease, or should I say, the lack of it. OnePlus has done an incredible job minimizing the crease, making it almost invisible when you're using the device. And the best part, the versatility. Whether you're watching videos, multitasking, or just browsing the web, the OnePlus Open adapts to your needs. The hinge allows for multiple angles, so you can use it in tent mode for hands-free viewing, or fold it partially for a more traditional smartphone experience. Saudi Arabia 3. Performance and software. Under the hood, the OnePlus Open is powered by the Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 chipset, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM. This thing is a beast when it comes to performance. Whether you're gaming, editing videos, or running multiple apps simultaneously, the OnePlus Open handles it all with ease. And let's not forget about Oxygen OS. OnePlus has optimized the software specifically for the foldable experience. Multitasking is a breeze. You can run up to 3 apps simultaneously, and the split-screen functionality is intuitive and responsive. Plus, the app continuity is seamless. When you fold or unfold the device, apps transition smoothly without any hiccups. Wow, camera. Now let's talk about the camera. The OnePlus Open features a triple camera setup co-developed with Hasselblad. You get a 48-megapixel main sensor, a 48-megapixel ultra-wide, and a 64-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. The results? Stunning. The colors are accurate. The dynamic range is impressive. And the low-light performance is top-notch. Check out these sample shots. The details are crisp, the colors pop, and the bokeh effect is just beautiful. And the best part? The camera performance is consistent whether you're using the device folded or unfolded. Oh, and the front-facing camera? It's hidden under the display when not in use, giving you a truly immersive experience. Battery life and charging. Battery life is always a concern with foldables, but the OnePlus Open doesn't disappoint. It packs a 4,800 mAh battery, which easily gets you through a full day of heavy use. And when it's time to recharge, the 67AA fast charger juices it up in no time. We're talking 0 to 100% in under 40 minutes. Price and competition. Now, let's talk about the elephant in the room, the price. The OnePlus Open starts at 1,600, which is still expensive, but it's significantly cheaper than its closest competitor, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. And when you consider the features, performance, and overall experience, the OnePlus Open offers incredible value for money. Starting with the pros. Stunning design. The OnePlus Open is sleek, lightweight, and feels premium in hand. Minimal crease. One of the best foldable displays out there with an almost invisible crease. Powerful performance. Snapdragon 8, Gen 2 and up to 16 GB of RAM. Ensure smooth multitasking and gaming. Versatile camera. Hasselblad-tuned cameras deliver excellent photo and video quality. Fast charging. 67 W. Fast charging means you're never out of juice for long. Competitive price. More affordable than other flagship foldables like the Galaxy Z Fold 5. Now, for the cons. Battery life. While decent, the 4800 mAh battery might not be enough for extremely heavy users. Durability concerns. Like all foldables, the long-term durability of the hinge and display is still a question mark. Limited availability. OnePlus devices aren't as widely available as Samsung or Apple, so getting your hands on one might be tricky depending on your region. No wireless charging. Surprisingly, the OnePlus Open doesn't support wireless charging, which might be a deal breaker for some. Who is the OnePlus Open for? Who is the OnePlus Open for? If you're someone who loves cutting-edge technology and wants a device that can double as a smartphone and a tablet, this is for you. It's perfect for multitaskers, content creators, and anyone who wants a premium, futuristic device without breaking the bank too much. Whether you're editing documents on the go, gaming with that expansive display, or binge-watching your favorite shows, the OnePlus Open delivers an experience that's hard to beat. However, if you're someone who prioritizes battery life above all else or prefers a more traditional smartphone, this might not be the device for you. Comparison with other foldable. Let's quickly compare the OnePlus Open to its biggest competitors, the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5 and the Google Pixel Fold. While the Z Fold 5 has a more polished software experience and better app optimization, it's also significantly more expensive. The Pixel Fold, on the other hand, has a unique design and excellent software integration. But it falls short in terms of performance and battery life. The OnePlus Open strikes a great balance between price, performance, and features. It's not perfect, but it's a strong contender in the foldable market and a great alternative to the more expensive options out there. Long-term potential. Now, let's talk about the bigger picture. The OnePlus Open isn't just a great device. It's a sign of where the smartphone industry is headed. Foldables are becoming more mainstream, and with devices like this, they're becoming more accessible too. As technology improves, we can expect even thinner designs, better battery life, and more durable hinges. OnePlus has set a high bar with the Open, and I'm excited to see how they and other brands push the boundaries of what's possible with foldable tech in the coming years. Final verdict. So here's the final verdict. The OnePlus Open is a fantastic first attempt at a foldable smartphone. It's not without its flaws, but it delivers an incredible experience that's hard to beat at this price point. If you're ready to embrace the future of smartphones, the OnePlus Open is definitely worth considering. That's it for today's video. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and hit that notification bell so you don't miss out on more tech reviews like this one. Let me know in the comments. What do you think about the OnePlus Open? Would you switch to a foldable? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.